What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I use selfie sticks a lot, but this one blew my mind. Alright, so normally I wouldn't even show you this selfie stick, but I've been so impressed with it, I just want to show you how it comes. This is an Mpow, and you can see it's got a diagram on there, and I thought, hey, it's just going to be another selfie stick, and I can use it as like a tripod on the go when I need to. So here is what you actually get, and let me give you a quick tour of this thing. It folds up, it's really compact like this. It's all plastic, you know, for the most part, all the plastic that you would expect. But first of all, this swivels up, and so you get all of it comes just like this. You get a screw here to tighten this sucker down so it won't move, and then you get this pivoting clamp up here, and this is spring-loaded. Now, I will say that if you have an oversized iPhone like mine with a case on it, it's a pretty tight fit. So let me just show you. This is without a case, and that's a pretty tight fit. Now, even with my case on it, I can still get it in, but what you probably... Well, I mean, it might be good because it's not going to fall out, but it doesn't go much further than that. You can see little rubber feet here, and they're angled, so it's going to hold it in a little bit. You can see that we have a micro USB plug right there, and that's because there is a little battery right in here, and there is, as you might be able to see, a little diffused light. So to turn it on, you double tap it. Whoops, double tap, and now it goes on, and then I can step up the brightness and then off. So that is really awesome because especially if you're using this as a selfie stick, low light, or even just as a tripod filming things, you don't need the flash on your phone. You can use this. So it's pretty awesome that you can recharge it just like that. And then obviously this whole thing swivels. Now, there's also, if I move this out of the way here, you can pair this little Mpow remote, and you can see we have some dots right here to slide it out, to your phone, and basically it works like the volume up button. So it's a shutter button on iOS, and I can use this to start and stop it, you know, take pictures if I'm using this as a tripod, taking a group shot. But if you leave it in there, now I can just extend this sucker like any other selfie stick. You can see we have a telescoping rod there, and I would say that's probably 2.5 feet, 2.25 feet, and you know, just the metal part, not including the handle. So you get a lot of reach, and then you can turn it on, turn it off without having to go way up there and touch it. So you've got that too. Now, as you might be able to see, I'm going to compress it all back down. But you can also see we have some wire, and these are metal feet right here. And so I'm going to pull these down, and you can see they kind of go pretty flat. So you get a nice wide base, nice stable base. But because I just pushed them down, they're not going to stay in place. And so what I found is you have this little switch here that shows that you can flip this all the way over when the feet are down, and that will lock them into place. So now I can put it down like this, and now I have a really stable wide base. We have some little rubber feet on the end there. That is pretty awesome. And then to compress it or collapse it, just move that switch back, push all these back up, and man, this thing is ready to go. So I will tell you what, I am really impressed with this thing. More so than I thought I would be. In fact, I wasn't even going to show it to you. I was just going to use it, like I said, for kind of quick takes and things like that. But I'm so impressed with this little bad boy that I wanted to share it with you. So if you need something like this, it does a lot, including the flash up here. I think it's a really great buy. I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.